Ko Kawa Paora tēnei tētahi o ngā kaimahi kei te mira poro rākau o Kinleith I Tokoroa nei. Ko tāna tūranga mahi, tētahi o ngā mahi ruarau toru te kau, kua poroa ki te mira nei.
Just shock, eh? Obviously, you hear little whispers and things like that, but until you hear it come from the big boss's mouth, it's true. So just shocked, and what am I going to do? How am I going to feed these kids? And just stuff like that.
Kua neke atu I te kaumā toru tau a Pourau e mahi ana ki Kinleith. Ko ia tētahi o ngā kaimahi, te hāpori me ngā kaitōranga pū, ka tai atu ki te hui whakaora I te mira nei.
We want small town voices to be heard, and we want us to matter to people.
When you look at how the historical value that every culture has had in the South Waikato, whether it be Pacific Islander, whether it be Māori, German, Dutch, whatever, that was a mix here. And those are the ones that built Tokoroa.
Kei te mōhi o pū te koro matua o Waikato ki te tonga a Gary Petley I te nui o te taumahatanga karangona e tōna hapori I tēnei wā.
It'll be huge because we're not just talking about the 230 workers that potentially could be lost. We're talking about all the wraparound support. So contractors, cleaners, cafes, all the ones that supply food out there to the workers out there. So potentially we're talking about 230, but we could be thinking 3 times more than that.
I would be nothing if it wasn't for this town, and I think that's the experience for all of us. We would all be nothing without this community, without this town, and without our mill, which is what feeds our people and feeds our whānau.
Ko ngā kaitōranga pū hoki ka tai atu ki te hui whakaora I ngā tūranga mahi, pēnei ia tamatha pō o ngā kākāriki I tipu mai ia ki Tokoroa.
I want people to see the magic of our hometown, how special Tokoroa is, the fact that we have a disproportionate amount of sports players, musicians, politicians, lawyers, all sorts of magical people that come from this place. We want people to feel that magic, but most importantly, we want them to act.
The people here in this community know and understand profoundly what it means to be from here, what it means to care about here, what it means to love here and to love their community. You guys know what it means to build solutions and to plan for a future that will work for this community.
A ka tai mai hoki te Premier tuarua a Winston Peters me e tehi o ana mema o Aotearoa tuatahi.
You're being asked to live to work. Think about it. You're being asked to live to work, not work to live, which is what life should be about. Work to live for a decent life.
The reason that I left home and went to Wellington and have done everything that I've done is to get these tools, to know how to use them. And so that's been my contribution to this kaupapa, is using the tools that this place taught me and bringing Parliament to Tokoroa. Not expecting Tokoroa to go to Parliament, because our leaders need to come here.
Toke's a town of fighters, so we're always going to fight for what we believe in.
Te āhua nei kua mutu ngā mahi a kāio ki te mira I tēnei rā. He oi anō, ko ai ka mōhio, he aha tāna mahi a pōpō. Te Kawa Paora, mā Aukaha.